I come with love this afternoon to all Yoruba people at home and in the diaspora. I am doing this program specifically for our friends in the outside world, people who are not Yoruba, but people who are interested in our struggle for self-determination and who are asking us many questions. We are now at a stage when most of our activities are concentrated on persuading the international community to give its support to our struggle, and we are succeeding considerably. Remember that we started only in 2019, and yet today we have gone a long way in getting many international agencies and governments to be on our side. But they're asking questions, and the questions need to be answered. And I'm answering now. You will see that there are people among us, that is what puzzles our foreign friends most. You see many people among us who are prominent citizens of the Yoruba nation, who are running around saying they want to contest election and become president or senator or whatever in Nigeria. The international community needs to be informed what is happening. The Yoruba people have decided that they want their own country. We've decided that since 2019, and there is no looking back. There is no going back. We want our Yoruba nation now, and there is no going back. That is the decision of the overwhelming majority of Yoruba people. However, there are some of us who think that they have done a lot for some political party or some political friends in Nigeria, and they want to earn the benefits of it. One of them said, I am the next person, Emilio Khan. Well, we don't grudge them for that. But what is important is that they are doing that for their personal interest alone and not for the welfare of the Yoruba people. What the welfare of the Yoruba people demands today is that every Yoruba man, woman, and child should join hands together to work peacefully towards taking our nation out of Nigeria. That's what is in the interest of the Yoruba nation today. And why is that? The reason is that for 62 years since independence, Nigeria has been like a death house to the Yoruba nation. Only 2 years after independence, the Nigerian federal government levied war on the Yoruba people, organized a surreptitious move to disrupt the government of our western region and to use one of our most prominent leaders against the rest of our people. Unfortunately, they succeeded, and Nigeria has been dragging our nation down steadily ever since. By 1960, we were far and away the most developed part of tropical Africa. We were the only people with free education, the only people with a whole lot of other achievements of modern development, an industrial estate or a number of industrial estates, an investment fund, the Western Region Development Corporation that had holdings in banking, industries, real estate, even commerce. We had established the first television on the African continent, even before some countries in Europe had television. We were heading very strongly towards becoming a prosperous and powerful modern society. And we were doing all of that under our leader, Chief Obafemi Awolowo, in the 1950s. But when Nigeria became independent, the first thing that the federal government of Nigeria wanted to do was to pull down our region. We were going too fast, and they wanted to pull us back and push us down. And they succeeded. And since then, our western region has been going further and further down. So now we have reached a point